Imagine you're sitting at your desk, staring at a job posting. It's for Paysafe, a company you've heard a lot about lately. But is it really as good as it seems? Is Paysafe a great place to work? Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of Paysafe to find out. From employee reviews to company culture, we'll uncover the truth about what it's like to work there. Paysafe is a global leader in payment solutions. They offer a wide range of services, from online payments to digital wallets. But what does it mean to work for a company like this? Let's find out. Section 1. Company Culture. First things first, let's talk about company culture. What's it like to work at Paysafe? Based on employee reviews, Paysafe seems to have a positive and supportive culture. Many employees mention the company's emphasis on teamwork, innovation, and work-life balance. One common theme in employee reviews is the company's commitment to diversity and inclusion. Paysafe seems to value different perspectives and backgrounds, creating a welcoming environment for all employees. Section 2. Job Opportunities. Now, let's talk about job opportunities. What kind of roles are available at Paysafe? The company offers a wide range of positions, from entry-level to executive. Some of the most popular departments include technology, finance, and sales. If you're looking for a challenging and rewarding career, Paysafe might be a great option. The company is always growing and expanding, which means there are plenty of opportunities for advancement. Section 3. Work-life balance. Work-life balance is another important factor to consider when choosing a company. How does Paysafe stack up in this area? Based on employee reviews, Paysafe seems to be committed to helping employees maintain a healthy work-life balance. Many employees mention flexible work arrangements, such as remote work and flexible hours. Additionally, Paysafe often offers perks and benefits that can help employees achieve a better work-life balance, such as wellness programs and paid time off. Section 4. Compensation and Benefits. Of course, compensation and benefits are also important factors to consider. What can you expect to earn at Paysafe? While salary can vary depending on your role and experience, Paysafe is generally considered to offer competitive compensation packages. In addition to salary, Paysafe also offers a variety of benefits, including health insurance, retirement plans, and paid time off. Some employees also mention receiving bonuses and other forms of incentive pay. Section 5. Employee Reviews. To get a better sense of what it's like to work at Paysafe, let's take a look at some employee reviews. Here's what some employees have to say about their experiences. Employee 1. I love working at Paysafe. The company culture is great, and there are always opportunities for growth. Employee 2. The work-life balance is excellent. I'm able to balance my personal and professional life without any issues. Employee 3. The compensation and benefits are very competitive. I feel like I'm well rewarded for my work. So, is Paysafe a good company to work for? Based on the evidence, it seems like a great place to build a career. The company has a positive culture, offers a variety of job opportunities, and provides competitive compensation and benefits. Of course, everyone's experience is different. The best way to find out if Paysafe is right for you is to do your own research and talk to current or former employees. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.